Hello and welcome to another episode of The Monkey Garage. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you are a long-time subscriber, thank you for keeping on supporting us. So, as you read from the title, today we're going to be putting on some fresh mods to my beautiful 350Z. So today we're going to be installing parts from our lovely sponsor at DND Performance. Let's roll that intro.
Riders on the storm, into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Dumb Monkey Garage YouTube channel. If you're new, my name's Evan, and I run the channel here. Editor and videographer and vlogger guy. So as I said in the intro, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing some parts from our lovely sponsors at DND Performance Interiors. So if you're in the market for a new steering wheel, quick release, hub adapter, seats, they do it all. If it's for an interior, the guys over there have the goods. The link will be in the top of the description box below. Please do hit it, check it out, and support the people who support Dumb Monkey. We really appreciate that. So today what we're installing is, we have this lovely bracket here. So this part didn't come with it. This is from my original steering wheel, but I've already fitted it, so it was just 2 screws, nothing magical. But so this is basically a cruise control arm, so it fits on with the, you can't see it there, and the door's locked. Basically, it fits on the steering wheel from behind it, so I can change my maps on the go. Because we did get the cars, we did get an uprev license for the cars, so that's that. Next, we have this awesome seat pocket from D&D. Honestly, guys, I had to just turn the camera serious mode. If you do own a track car, like, the thing is, I find that there's like literally no places to put your phone in the track car. Like in my car, like I put it in the center console and my phone rattles about the place like something serious. So it's very, very frustrating. Like, and you're at risk of breaking your phone. Whereas with this, you just pop it underneath your seat, underneath you, and boom. It's so handy to use as well, especially when you're strapped in to the harnesses. It's so hard to get at your phone if you ever need to ring someone, ring the boys in the pits, whatever it is, like, do you know what I mean? So highly recommend this. I think it's a €25 mod, $25 mod, but my god, is it worth every cent of that. We also have some swags. So we have a nice little air freshener, D&D, love the boys. And let's see now, we also have the, let me see, we also have the lovely hub adapter. So we got some cheap ass, basic ass hub adapter from, I think it was Amazon when we got it. Lucas has the matching one to my one, but essentially it's just some kind of crappy one that we picked up at the time. But DND do these beautiful aluminium block ones, fairly lightweight as well, and a really nice design. This is kind of like the anthracite gray, I would call it. Don't know how it shows up on camera, but it's kind of like a gun barrel-y, anthracite-y kind of gray. Very nice. So we'll be swapping that out as well. So we have the full D&D Performance interior kit, which includes, we have the steering wheel, quick release, we have the hub, and now we're also going to have the steering, or the cruise control, so we can change some maps and make them pop some bangs. Yeah, so that's gonna be epic. Little update for you guys. Hold on, I need to go grab something. Be right back. Stay right here. Okay, now that I am changed into the team gear, which you can cop on bigcartel.com/dumbmonkeygarage. Link will be in the top pinned comment in the description box below. Now that I have the gear on, it's time to get installing this gear. So let's crack on, open up the car, and let's get going. Awesome, so first we're gonna install the seat pocket. So very simple, let's just drop you guys down for a sec. So very simple, so what you wanna do is open the Velcro strap, make sure it's facing the correct direction. And then from the inside then what we need to do, is lift up our center buckle, pull up the seat, which is just Velcro down. Then we want to get our strap and we rock it underneath like so. Bring the Velcro part up to the top here. Don't know how good the angle is there. Let's hope that's some better angles. Right, so then you get the Velcro strap underneath, strap it up underneath so that we have it grabbed onto. Then depending on the style that you want, so if you want it with the DND strap outwards, we pull it back like so, sit your cushion back down and Velcro across. That's it, like that. And then you have the lovely stripes and performance interior showing up on here. Very, very easy install. And now when you're sitting inside the car, all you have to do is reach your hand under and open the Velcro strap and pop your phone in. It is that easy. Very, very quick and cheap mod that you should do to your drift car. If you own a drift car, or if you own a sick road car with some bucket seats in it, I recommend doing that too. Or optionally, you can put the cushion on top and have it more of a stealth look, so it's just down underneath here, nice and stealthy. Depending on the vibe that you're going for, either option is awesome. Awesome, now that that's installed, I'm going to remove the current setup that I have in. And once that's out, then what we're going to do is we're going to install the new hub from DND, the right one, the best one. And we'll go from there. Let's go. So tools right off the bat that I know we are going to need. So straight away, I know we're going to need a torque bar, just to make sure that we have the torque bar, make sure we have the center, the nut that holds the steering lock on in properly. Also, we're going to need some Allen heads so we can remove all of the bolts that are already on the kit. So let's get to it. If you do have your steering wheel already, if you still have your stock steering wheel installed, the process will be a bit different for you as it is for me, but it is what it is. I also had a video to bring out, I would have probably released it by this point, installing the DND Performance steering wheel and quick release. So if you haven't checked that out, it'll be in the top pinned link in the description box, or it'll be up here somewhere, or it'll be in the link in the description as well. So check that out. Cool, so we have the Allen wrench kit. Let's jump inside the car and remove the quick release. And also, I just want to show you guys who haven't seen already. So this is an install that we have done. How unreal are these? Proper blue team now. Blue on the hydro, blue steering wheel, blue quick release, blue on all the gauges, up here as well on the diffie gauges. We also have the Mishimoto in black to offset it, so I don't I go from here and I pull the right thing instead of going for the gear stick, which is black instead. Then down here we have a blue gator, and then the custom dials that I have for the AC. So shout out to my girlfriend Natasha, thank you very much for giving me a hand painting those, and they look sick. Then we have our lovely monkey with the blue on it, blue on the armrest, and blue over here too. Yeah, car is absolutely kitted out, and my face is blue also. So if you want to match the theme of my car and represent Dub Monkey Garage at your car shows, car events, please do check out our merchandise. We do have some awesome stuff on there, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, everything. And if you guys are interested, we might be bringing some stickers very soon to the store, so stay tuned for that. And also let us know in the comment section below if you'd be interested in sticking a Dub Monkey Garage sticker on your car. We'd love to hear it from you. Sick. Okay, so what we need to do now is remove these 2, 4, 6. We need to remove these 6 bolts around here to get access to the center of this here. This is the cheap one that we got from Amazon, so probably wouldn't recommend it. It did the job. I'm not gonna say it didn't. It did do the job, but the DND one is a lot nicer. So We'll also compare them once we rip this one out. I will compare the size comparison and stuff like that, and let you guys know my honest feedback. Awesome. So like I said, I was going to use the Allen head set, but fortunately the one I needed is rounded, I don't know, but basically the head doesn't bite. So I'm going to use the set that I have from Halford's. Awesome set, oh my god, lifetime warranty with all of the parts. So basically I'm going to get that changed out a different day, but I just said I'd let you guys know. If you're looking to get into doing this kind of stuff yourself, the Halford's toolkit, everyone's probably don't go for that, but like, oh my god, like we've been using it the last 3 years and I don't think we've done one job on a car, not one job on a car where we haven't used it. It's incredible. So yeah, I will pop a link to that in the description as well. We're not affiliated with them whatsoever, but if I'm helping you guys out, that is how we got started with doing all these stuff. Like, it's literally had everything that we needed. So do check it out if you're interested in doing this kind of work yourself. Okay, to get that off, I needed to stick a wheel on to remove it, so it was fairly awkward, I'm not gonna lie. But this is the, oh shit, drop something. This is the wheel that I was telling you guys about, that I got from DND. So let's remove this bad boy here. Poke the wires out the bottom. Awesome. Okay, so we have this hub, which is the eBay special or the Amazon special, and then we have the DND one. Here we have the two. Wow. Okay, there seems to be a significant difference in terms of the no, see, it's on a curve. I need to get to a flat surface. This isn't the best idea. Test your shit on a flat surface. Be right back. Whew. Okay, so I had a quick peek. I kind of cheated. All right, look. So here's the funny one for you. So the D&D one looks way thicker, but realistically, it's probably like 2 mil in the difference, 2 millimeters. Very, like, almost nothing in the difference. But this one comes down and kind of concaves in, the eBay special or the Amazon special. That is why that looks like it's actually a lot skinnier and narrower, but it's actually the same. Aren't we glad we did this test now? eBay special versus D&D performance. Awesome. So we just took the thumbnail shot. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, you probably clicked on the video, so fingers crossed that went well. So just taking a look at the hub. So there's a lot more clearance in the back of this hub to the other one, so we should be having a bit of an easier job trying to mount up the arm for the controls. I have no idea how that's going to go on. I'm going to have to take an eyeball on that and then I'll get back to you guys in a sec. But yeah, overall it feels lighter because it's obviously cut out more at the back, and it's really not thicker like I was really concerned that it would be, because space in the Z isn't great as it is. So if the wheel was actually closer, I have the widest wheel, I have a 75mm dish wheel, so if it was actually wider it would be really bad. So thank God. So that worked out. Yeah, so I'm going to check out how to install the controls, and back in a sec. I feel like an idiot for even going away to check it. So the plug connector on this side just plugs straight in. So fuck's sake. Right, I'm gonna get to installing this bad boy. I'm gonna Google the torque specs and I will tell you guys. I'll pop them on screen now in a sec, and let's do this. So we're gonna connect that in, and D&D to the top. let you guys see kind of point of view what I see. So we'll grab the wheel. That is how it looks. So let's give the key a nice turn. Sick. You can feel that the wheel is a bit closer, I won't lie. I think it's because of the small difference in the hub itself, and then the small increase from the kit pushes it out slightly further again. Honestly, it's not that bad. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please go down and hit like and drop us a comment. It really helps us out in the algorithm, helps other people to see our videos, and it means that we're not wasting our time making them. So please do hit like, please do hit subscribe. We're nearly at fucking, what, nearly at 600? We're pushing. Come on guys, you gotta get us up there faster. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please hit subscribe. Thank you so much to DND Performance for these awesome parts, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.